Lory Landing interactive bird experience.
No!
It's okay.
Wow. See any cool birds? Oh, come on in. Okay. Come on in. Let's go. Thank you, sir. Come on in, guys.
I know, the car wash.
The car wash. All right. Wow.
Nice and
Look at all these
breezy in
birds. You can get right up next to them. Bird is right next to me. What is it called, Mama?
A lorikeet.
A lorikeet. Wow, he's beautiful. Wow. Come to me,
They'll
lorikeet.
land on you. You're gonna have to wash your hands afterwards, Daddy, just so you know.
Lorikeet's coming on my hand. Oh, maybe not.
Look at Brady's reaching.
There you go, pick them up, there you go.
Oh my goodness, the bird is right on me. Wow. That's fantastic. Carter, go ahead, pet him. You put out your hand, they'll come on you. Wow. Beautiful bird, lorikeet. All right. Kids can pet the birds if they can catch them. All right, beautiful, huh, Carter? All right. Well, look at this guy up here. What kind's that, Mama? What's this one up top here? Okay, beautiful. Lots of exotic birds. Wow, a little water, huh, Carter? Yeah, climb up there, bud. Oh. Carter climbing a waterfall. All right.
Hey, Carter, I don't think you should be up there. It's dangerous. They don't want kids up here. Jump.
What kind, Mama?
Roseate spoonbill, see?
Wow. Oh, they have all the names. This is fantastic. Oh my goodness. They're not kidding when it's an interactive bird experience. They fly right at you. Pain to see. Looks like a Volusia Turco. What kind is he, Mama?
Probably a lorikeet.
Oh, another lorikeet. Daddy, try to hold him, Carter? Daddy can try. See if I can hold him. Oh!
Yeah, they bite. They bite. You can't be too forward.
I got bit.
You can't be too forward. You gotta let them jump onto you.
Yeah.
Not shove your fingers in their face.
So I deserve to get bit.
Yeah.
Hope we caught that on film. All right, this is awesome. Carter, is this awesome or what? Yeah. All right. What kind of birds are those, Mama?
I don't know, Dan.
Whoa, they just come whizzing right by you.
Rainbow Lory.
Rainbow Lory? Oh, wow. It's a rainbow Lory.
Oh, it's so nice and breezy in here.
Goodness. breeze is fantastic. Brady! He likes the birds.
There's no more squeezes. We're gonna go get you some food. Let's go get you some food.
Alright. Beautiful birds here. Lots to see. Alright. Bye-bye. There's the exit. Through the car wash, they call it. Oh, wow. Look at these guys. Look at these guys, Mama. Couple yellow parakeets. Speckled owl. Where's that? See him right there?
Beautiful.
Wow.
That's what we have in the woods by our house. Is an owl. Hello, beautiful owl. Oh my goodness. No!
Wow. Real owl. Staring right at us. That's beautiful.
Come here.
Hello, owl. Lives in this little enclosure. Over across the way, that was a golden conure we looked at. Golden conure. Lives in this little enclosure. Alright. Another beautiful bluebird here. Alright. We're on our way out of here. Alright. Busch Gatdens 2018. Subscribe to see more videos. You have fun in there, Carter? The Lory landing.
I don't know. We'll see.
Come on, let's go get you something to eat.
Alright.